So the buzz around the OnePlus 15 just keeps building, especially with the OnePlus China team sharing new teasers almost every day on Weibo. Fans have already been treated to tons of official images, but now there's something even better. OnePlus President Louis Lee has shared an official unboxing video, giving us our first proper look at the phone and its retail packaging. The video starts with a sight that OnePlus fans will instantly recognize: the iconic red box with black lettering. It's sleek, simple, and instantly familiar. OnePlus seems to be sticking to what works, because the packaging design hasn't changed this year. If you were hoping for a major overhaul and presentation, that's not happening. The company clearly wants to maintain its signature style that screams OnePlus at first glance. Opening the box reveals a few things that feel equally familiar yet reassuring. Inside, you'll find the charger, the trademark red cable, and a color-matched protective case. While OnePlus has sometimes adjusted its packaging contents depending on the region, the setup here looks quite similar to what we've seen in Indian retail units from previous launches. It's a clean, premium presentation that keeps the essentials intact. No surprise, no missing charger drama. But the real star of the video isn't the box, it's the phone itself. The OnePlus 15 shown off in the clip features a new color finish called Sandstorm, and it's a real showstopper. OnePlus is introducing an industry-first micro-arc oxidation process, which lets them apply a ceramic coating over the metal frame. The result is a beautiful matte texture that feels ultra-premium while also improving durability and resistance to scratches. It's the kind of subtle but meaningful craftsmanship upgrade that OnePlus is becoming known for, especially as it continues pushing its phones toward true flagship territory. So far, the Sandstorm edition is the one OnePlus has chosen to highlight publicly, but that doesn't mean it's the only one. More color options are expected closer to launch, possibly including classic finishes like black and white, as well as a couple of bold new shades. OnePlus usually likes to reveal these in stages, keeping the hype alive leading up to release day. Until now, most of the OnePlus 15 teasers have been centered around the Chinese market. But that's about to change. OnePlus has officially confirmed that the phone will get a global launch, marking the next step in its worldwide expansion strategy. While the company hasn't locked in exact launch dates for different regions, the official screenshots hint at an October 27th reveal for China. The global debut is expected to follow shortly after, possibly within the same week. With its upgraded design, innovative materials, and confident presentation, the OnePlus 15 looks like one of the most polished smartphones OnePlus has ever built. If the rest of the specs live up to the same standard, this could be the flagship that redefines OnePlus's 2025 lineup and firmly re-establishes its position in the premium Android space. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.